Hello, students. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn a new poem of our book, First Flight, Unit 2, Dust of Snow. A very nice poem written by Robert Frost. Let us learn about the poet first. A small introduction regarding Robert Frost. He was an American poet, famous American poet, born in San Francisco on March 26, 1874. His father belonged to New England and his mother was a Scottish immigrant from Edinburgh. By 1920s, Frost was the most celebrated poet in America. His poetical works are A Boy's Will, North of Boston, New Hampshire, A Further Range, Stipplebush, and In the Clearing. Increased his fame and honor. Poem Dust of Snow was published in New Hampshire in 1923. Now turning towards our poem, what do you want to say? The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. A very small little poem, about 4 lines, is telling that when it is on a winter day, in the first stanza, it describes that small things, natural things, these are happening all around. Like the snow is falling heavily. Then the snowy flakes have covered the top of the trees. Now here the hemlock tree is mentioned in the poem, and the tree is of a conifer type. Conifer means in a cony shape, and the leaves are fully covered with snowy flakes. Snowy flakes means it is fully covered with snow in a simple language. Again, the poet is standing under the hemlock tree, and movement and lightning of a crow on the tree makes the dust of snow fall on the poet. Now, as the crow is traveling from one place to another, and if he might have been sat on that tree, by some movement or the other, the snowflakes fall on the poet. The crow, a symbol of ill omen, and the hemlock tree, associated with the person, are not auspicious things. Now they are telling over here. Now these are natural happenings around us. Many a times we also might be standing under a tree. The small leaves may be falling on us, and we just enjoy the nature's beauty. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had wrote. Here the meanings are also mentioned over here. The root meaning means held in regret. Now he is trying to tell his own feelings over here, like the falling of snowy flakes and the scene leave a tremendous effect on the mental state and mood of the poet. The day has been quite gloomy and a wastage for him. But this ordinary natural happening suddenly brings a desired change in his mood. It gladdens his heart. He realizes that the falling of snowy flakes on him had saved the day. Now he has no regret as the whole of the day has not gone waste. The moments of the snowfall and their effect have saved the day. They have brought a change in his mood and gladdened and uplifted his spirits. He is trying to tell that if these snowy flakes would not have fallen on me, maybe my day must have been wasted. Here, he is telling that as far as I was continuing my day, and due to this small natural happening, I have just lived my day very happily. Thank you, students. Thank you for the video.